How to fix 0x80041015 Microsoft Office error. 1. Update Microsoft Office, click to run. 2. Use an Office activation troubleshooter. 3. Ensure you do not have multiple Office versions installed. If not, remove those unused or unwanted build. 4. Repair Office. 5. Create a system restore point and rebuild token.dats file. Hint, Windows 11 10s, run the following commands as admin. netstop sppsvc. cd%winder%\service profiles \local service \appdata \local /microsoft /ws license tokens.dat. Tokens.bar netstart sppsvc script.exe%winder%system32 /slmgr.vbs /roll restart the PC. Windows 7, netstop sppsvc cd%winder% \service profiles \network service \appdata /roaming /microsoft /software protection platform ren tokens.dat. Tokens.bar netstart sppsvc script.exe%winder%system32 /slmgr.vbs /roll restart the PC.